Hey everyone! Talking is making back with another video on making money online. But this time we're ditching the hustle and focusing on the laziest ways to earn some cash. Forget 9-to-5s and student loans. These methods are so easy you might feel guilty until you see the money roll in. Proofreading with AI, ChatGPT. Before you click away, hear me out. You don't have to proofread yourself. Tools like ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting. Here's how. Sign up on a freelance platform like guru.com and offer proofreading services. When you receive a text, paste it into ChatGPT, let it work its magic, and send the corrected document back. People earn $15 to $100 per hour doing this. Imagine chilling and letting AI handle the tedious tasks while you get paid. Pro tip. Offer additional services like editing and formatting with tools like Grammarly to increase your value and rates. Transcribing with AI, Rev and RMR. Love podcasts and speeches? This is perfect. Transcribing audio can earn you 30 cents to $1 per minute on platforms like Rev.com. Here's the lazy approach. Sign up on Rev.com and RMR.com. Get options. Upload audio files to RMR's AI transcription service. Review the AI-generated text, submit it back to Rev, and get paid. Earn up to $120 while chilling with your favorite podcast. No need to understand the audio. Let AI do it. Bonus tip. Automate file transfer between platforms using Zapier, making it even lazier. Faceless YouTube channels. Looking for passive income? Faceless YouTube channels are a goldmine. Here's how to create one without ever showing your face. Use script AI tools to generate video scripts. Head over to 11 Labs for human-like voiceovers. Combine scripts and voiceovers with visuals from invideo.io. Upload your finished product to YouTube and monetize. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. Consistent uploads can earn you money even while you sleep. Pro tip. Focus on trending topics and evergreen content for long-term views and revenue. Create multiple channels in different niches to diversify income. This one's for the artistically inclined, but maybe a bit on the lazy side. Wirestock allows you to sell AI-generated art. Here's the lazy person's guide. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create stunning images. Upload them to Wirestock and participate in challenges for a chance to win extra cash. Track your earnings and enjoy making money from art that you didn't create. Pro tip. Don't limit yourself to Wirestock. Upload your creations to multiple platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock for a wider reach. High-ticket YouTube automation focuses on high CPM niches and using affiliate marketing for big profits. Like and post with like-for-like bots. Automate social media engagement and sell grown accounts. High payout partner products. Promote high-commission affiliate products for significant income. Bonus. Multiple passive income apps. Here are some apps that reward you for doing almost nothing. SMS cashback. Get paid for receiving texts. Red Pocket. Earn for sharing web data. Honeygain. Passive income by sharing internet. Bound app and proxy. RX. Share internet data for cash. MC. Money and Vcash. Surveys and games. Stack these apps for a decent monthly passive income. Install them on multiple devices if you have them. The more devices, the more money. Key takeaways. Leverage AI tools to automate tasks and make earning easier. Consistency is key for long-term success with methods like YouTube channels. Diversify your income streams by trying out multiple strategies. Remember, like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more lazy money-making tips. together to the top.